Hi Jen, this is my first gumball machine that I made. Oh. And it's, if you've seen the first one, this is one of my old ones. Yeah, it breaks easy because when I was bringing it in here to show it to you, gravity took place and it just, the bottom part just fell right off. It totally freaked me out. It happened. I knew it was fragile, but I didn't know it was that fragile. So to load it, you do that. Usually you have to do this. Load it because there's smooth pieces in there. So there's little smooth pieces that's on because before it was on some of these studs. It was just sit right there. So the coin slot is right here, and I really like the coin slot because I found a piece to make it arched, and that looks really cool on it. And actually this little stick right here is actually a jam stick, just in case it jams, so you can just stick it through there and fix it. I don't really use it, but I just put it there. It looks good. So when I just let you see it coming out, and then so when you put the money in, it comes out right through there, and the coin goes into this little tray. Out, back. So this little part right here is like how it works. Usually if you don't want to, because sometimes I have to stick my finger in there to undo it, or just another way is just going. There's a bunch of ways to do it. Usually do this, pop this out. It would undo it. Take this piece off, and this little stick thing right there. That's another way to do it. And I just remembered that this stick wasn't actually the joystick. It was actually a thing for loading it that way. I thought it was a joystick for a sec. Oops. Yes. I'm gonna show you how it works if I can get the tops off. It might take a little while because there's a bunch of pieces. There we go. Okay, so this is how it works. So get these back. So when I pop it in, it would sit right there. And if you can see back there, you see these two gray pieces that are attached to this stick. And this little thing right there is in front of the coin slot. So when you push this in, that moves. And when you push it all the way, but usually push it fast. Usually push it fast. So yeah. So that's there. When you see that pops out there, and this opens up. So when this thing's up, this thing pushes down on that, and see. Loaded. Do that. Ready for another purchase. Yeah. It's not one of my greatest gumball machines. I'm thinking of taking it apart. This was my gumball machine. Goodbye.